Hi, I'm Micah. I'm a pharmacy student here in Phoenix, and I'll show you around Creighton's Health Sciences building.
The pharmacy pathway in Phoenix offers a unique hybrid learning experience, combining the benefits of a close-knit campus community with the flexibility of online learning. Our collaboration spaces provide great opportunities to connect with classmates and faculty members. After completing our lectures at home, we come to campus to practice clinical skills in the pharmacy simulation lab. It's a realistic setup complete with a dispensing area, mock clean room, laminar flow hood, and a patient counseling room, all designed to prepare us for our clinical work in both hospital and community settings. In our task training classroom, we practice skills like dispensing and get guidance from faculty members. As future pharmacists, learning to work with other healthcare professionals is a big part of our training. We take part in interprofessional simulations, real-world scenarios that help us understand the expertise each healthcare professional brings to the table. Balancing an intensive program isn't easy, but the support of faculty and staff here on the Phoenix campus makes all the difference. The Norton Foundation Success Center provides essential support from academic success coordinators, learning specialists, and counselors. Our location here in Midtown is convenient for clinical opportunities throughout the Phoenix medical quarter.
Thanks for tagging along on a tour here on our campus in Phoenix.